Okay, I want to go over with everybody some changes to our normal day while I'm gone. First of all, you'll see after you log into the computers, the warm-up will be, instead of 3 minutes of typing, will now be 5 minutes of typing to start class. Miss Castillo knows this. She'll be subbing for me for about the next week and a half to 2 weeks, and that's what you should be starting off doing. When she tells you to, or when you're done with your 5 minutes of typing, if you still need to finish your TV show introduction trailer project, you're going to work on that. When that's done, either today or next class, whenever that is, the things you'll be working on or the projects you'll be working on will be right here. This is new. Before you click on this, it's going to say to pick a unit or select a unit. Now, for some of them, not all of these, but for some of the projects, there's going to be files that you'll need to work on the projects in the Google Classroom. Here's what I mean by that. So when you click on here, it will open up this Applied Digital Skills Classroom. You need to click on Sign In and make sure you sign in with your school ID. Once you sign in, for example, let's do period 1, you'll see different units. This is the first one, G Suite Certification Drive. Annotate text in Google Docs. The second one, Technology at Work. Okay, each of these is different projects. For some of these, like the G Suite certification for the drive, when I click on it, it'll open up, and these are the 8 parts of the unit. Okay? When you click on Start, there'll be a video to play. You'll have to click Play.
G Suite is a set of cloud-based apps that can be used to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Earning your G Suite certification demonstrates your ability to use digital skills.
Now this guy will tell you what to do. It'll be super easy. When they tell you to go to the links for this project and for a couple of the projects, you won't be able to click here on them. All that you'll do is go to the classroom, and you'll see that this was the G Suite certification for the drive. If you forget what it was, the title's right here, G Suite certification for drive. All that you need to do is click on that, and then when they ask you or tell you which ones to download or open up to change, then you'll just click on the ones that it tells you to do that. You'll go back, you'll follow the steps. Once you've completed this 2-minute and these steps, you'll click Next. All of your progress is tracked and it's monitored and it's sent to me. I'll know exactly what you've completed. I'll be able to see the parts of the projects that you've completed and the parts that you haven't, or the parts that you pretend like you're completing and you just skip. Do not pretend like you're completing them and just skip them. I told Miss Castillo exactly about how much each project would take you, how long they would take you, how much time they should take you, so there should be no messing around and pretending like you're working on these projects while I'm gone. When you complete each project, I'll be notified, and then you'll be able to begin the next one. So if you go in order, the first one, G Suite Certification Drive, then you can just move to the next one. It doesn't matter to me what order you choose. Just remember that when you're looking for some of these files, they will be in the classroom. The responsible blog, the annotate text, and the G Suite Certification Drive. They'll all be in the classroom to use the files. While I'm gone, I expect you guys to be making sure you're completing all your work, just like when I'm there. One last change while I'm gone, the exit ticket won't be up and running, it'll be resuming when I come back. So you'll basically just be typing at the beginning of class for your warm-up and working on these G Suite certification units. Make sure you're behaving. Miss Castillo knows my personal number and will notify me, and I'll be making sure to notify your parents and the principals for anyone misbehaving.